that makeup and foundation are very similar to foundation repair companies. Just like Mary Kay gives you the beautiful glow, the beautiful lips, and the sparkly eyes, good foundation companies like Williamson Foundation Repair will give your house that youthful lift, bringing it back to its former glory. You can trust them because they're honest and reliable.
Unlike other less reputable companies where your foundation may crack or even clog your pores.
Your skin, just like your home, is an investment.
Others promise the same results at a much cheaper price, but they rarely deliver the results you expect. So choose wisely.
Call Williamson Foundation Repair for your home's foundation repair needs.